As our guests have arrived, I request our school representatives, President, Vice President, SPL and ASPL of our institution to kindly escort our guests to the dais.
Right, left, march forward. Left, right, left. Left, right, left. Left, right, left.
Today we have gathered here to celebrate the Independence Day of our beloved nation, India. This is a day of great pride, joy and gratitude. On 15th August 1947, India achieved freedom after years of struggle and sacrifice. Let us now begin our program with the blessings of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Here is Arif of 9th standard to lead us into prayer, and the students are all ready with the prayer song.
من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين آمين
है दुआ बन के तमन्ना मेरी लबे आती है दुआ बन के तमन्ना मेरी जिंदगी शम्म की सूरत हो खुदाया मेरी जिंदगी शम्म की सूरत हो खुदाया मेरी लबे आती है दुआ बन के तमन्ना मेरी हो मेरे दम से यूं ही मेरे वतन की जीनत हो मेरे दम से यूं ही मेरे वतन की जीनत जिस तरह फूल से होती है चमन की जीनत जिस तरह फूल से होती है चमन की जीनत जिंदगी हो मेरी परवान की सूरत या रब जिंदगी हो मेरी परवान की सूरत या रब इल्म की शम्म से हो मुझको मोहब्बत या रब इल्म की शम्म से हो मुझको मोहब्बत या रब ओ मेरा काम गरीबों की हिमायत करना ओ मेरा काम गरीबों की हिमायत करना दर्दमंदों से ज़ईफ़ों से मोहब्बत करना दर्दमंदों से ज़ईफ़ों से मोहब्बत करना मेरे अल्लाह बुराई से बचाना मुझको मेरे अल्लाह बुराई से बचाना मुझको नेक जो राह हो उस राह पे चलाना मुझको नेक जो राह हो उस राह पे चलाना मुझको लबे आती है दुआ बन के तमन्ना मेरी.
Dear students, to extend a warm and cordial welcome to our honored guest and everyone gathered here, I now invite our school administrator, Mrs. Aisha ma'am, to deliver the welcome address.
Alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Respected dignitaries on the dais, honored guests, dear parents, teachers, non-teaching staff, and my beloved students. A very good morning to one and all. Happy Independence Day. It is my immense pleasure and privilege to extend a warm and heartfelt welcome to each one of you on the joyous occasion of the 80th Independence Day celebration of Islai English Medium School and Islai Composite Pre-University College. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in the Holy Quran, indeed, Allah will not change the condition of a people until they change with what is in themselves. The beautiful verse reminds us that a strong and prosperous nation is built by responsible, disciplined, and righteous citizens. Today, as we celebrate the freedom of our great nation, let us remember the countless sacrifices of our brave freedom fighters. Their courage, determination, and unity gave us the priceless gift of independence. At this moment, it is my honor to welcome our esteemed dignitaries. I extend a heartfelt welcome to our Honorable Chief Guest A. Abdul Nasir Lucky Star, ex-chairman of the Dakshina Kannada District Waqf Advisory Committee. Your gracious presence has brought great honor to this celebration as a token of our love and respect. I warmly welcome our Honorable President, Mr. G. Abdul Razak. I ask our students to present a rose. A cordial welcome to our Honorable Vice President, Mr. Abdul Rahman Basha. Kindly present a rose. A warm welcome to our principal, Mrs. Rumana Nawaz, whose visionary leadership inspires our school community. A warm welcome to our headmistress, Mrs. Arinakshi, whose dedication and care nurture our young learners. Manager, Mrs. Anila Shetty, for the valuable support and coordination extended to our institution. Mr. Kantaraj Sir, Physics Sir. A special welcome to all our teaching staff whose commitment and hard work shape the future of every student. A warm welcome to our non-teaching staff whose sincere efforts behind the scenes make every program successful. I wholeheartedly welcome our dear parents, our valuable partners in nurturing and educating our children. And finally, my loving welcome to our beloved students, the future of our nation. May you grow into responsible, knowledgeable, and compassionate citizens of India. On this memorable occasion, let us remember the sacrifices of Mahatma Gandhi, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Maulana Abul Kalam Azad, Ashfaqullah Khan, Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan, Begum Azrat Mahal, and countless other heroes from Hindu, Muslim, Christian, Sikh, and all other communities who stood united for India's freedom. Their lives teach us that unity is one greatest strength. Let us pledge to uphold the values of freedom, peace, unity, justice, and brotherhood, and work together to build a stronger and more prosperous India. Once again, I welcome each one of you and thank you for your gracious presence. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless our beloved nation with peace, harmony, unity, and prosperity. Once again, happy 80th Independence Day. Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka. Jazakallah khair. Thank you.
Jazakallah khairan, ma'am. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam said, dream, dream, dream. Dreams transform into thoughts, and thoughts result in action. Let us remember that the strength of our nation lies not only in the history, but also in the future character of its citizen. Every student here has the power to build a stronger, kinder, and more prosperous India through honesty, hard work, and compassion. With hearts filled with gratitude and pride, let us begin this Independence Day celebration by hoisting our national flag, a symbol of our unity and sovereignty. To do the honors, I request all our dignitaries on the dais to kindly come forward to hoist the national flag.
Flag salute! Order.
झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा, विजयी विश्व तिरंगा प्यारा। झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा, विजयी विश्व तिरंगा प्यारा। सदा शक्ति सरसाने वाला, प्रेम सुधा बरसाने वाला, वीरों को हर्षाने वाला, मातृभूमि का तन मन सारा। झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा, विजयी विश्व तिरंगा प्यारा। आओ प्यारे वीरों आओ, देश धर्म पर बलि बलि जाओ, एक साथ सब मिलकर गाओ, प्यारा भारत देश हमारा। झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा, विजयी विश्व तिरंगा प्यारा। झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा, विजयी विश्व तिरंगा प्यारा। शान न इसकी जाने पाए, चाहे जान भले ही जाए, विश्व विजय करके दिखलाए, तब होवे प्रण पूर्ण हमारा। झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा, विजयी विश्व तिरंगा प्यारा। झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा, तिरंगा प्यारा। झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा।
Respected Chief Guest, distinguished guests, members of the management, parents, teaching and non-teaching staff, and my dear beloved students. Let us first thank Allah who has blessed us with the gift of freedom, peace, and the opportunity to live, learn, and grow in this great nation. With great pride and joy, I wish everyone a very happy Independence Day. My dear students, you are the future of India. Your success will shape the future of our nation. As students of our institution, I urge you to excel not only in academic but also in values. Respect your parents, teachers, and elders. May Allah bless you all. Jai Hind. Thank you one and all.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Good morning to one and all. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Iqra bismi rabbika alladhi khalaq. Read in the name of your Lord who created. This divine command reminds us that education is not just a choice. It is a sacred duty of each and every individual. Today, we bear witness to the beautiful fulfillment of this divine command by our students who have achieved outstanding results, who brought great pride to our institution in SSLC and PUC examination. Firstly, I call second PUC toppers who have to come along with their parents. First, second PUC topper Fatimatul Akifa, who scored 561 marks with 93%. Abdul Nasir Lucky Star to distribute the prizes. Thank you, Barakallah. Congratulations. Next, Muhammad Hamiz, who scored 545 marks with 90%. Zainaba Ashfia, who scored 544 marks with 90%. Barakallah, congratulations. Next, Abdus Sattar Marzouk, who scored 540 marks with 90%. Khadija Ghizlan, who scored 530 marks with 88%. Thank you, sir. Thank you. These were our PUC students. Now, award prizes for our 10th standard students, SSLC. First, Fatima Zihana. I request our President G. Abdul Razak sir to hand over the prizes. Fatima Zihana, who scored 586 marks with 93 percentage. She was the student of Islahi English Medium School, Elyar Padau, and she is continuing her education in Islahi Islahi Composite PU College, Ullal. Next is Nisha Anam, who scored 573 marks with 91 percentage. Thank you. Next, Fatima Ifa Mafna, who scored 564 marks with 90%. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Next, Fatima Shazma, who scored 568 marks with 90.8%. Thank you. Next is Fatima Ashifa, who scored 561 marks with 89%. Thank you. Next, Aisha Habib, who scored 540 marks with 86%. Aisha Habib, she studied in our school and she is continuing her PUC education in our PUC, Islahi Composite PU College. Next, Hanoon Hawa, who scored 534 marks with 85%. She also studied in our institution. Now she is continuing her educational journey of first PUC in our institutions. Congratulations all. Thank you. Before concluding, I remind you all once again that the Lord Almighty's command that education is not a choice, it is a mandatory duty on each and every individual. A bright, a future and a prosperous country. Congratulations once again. Happy Independence Day. Jazakallah khairan. Assalamu alaikum.
Allah khairan, sir. And thank you, my dear students, for coming here so that we could celebrate your achievement. Today's applause was for them. Tomorrow it may be for you. Dream big, work hard, and make your parents, teachers, and your school proud. Sir B.A. Abdul Nasir, sir, to address the gathering. But before that, let me just introduce him to you all. Our guest for today is Sir B.A. Abdul Nasir. He is the ex-chairman of the Dakshin Kannada District Waqf Advisory Committee, General Secretary of KPCC Minority, and President of Karnataka Muslim Unity, Dakshin Kannada. A warm welcome to you, sir, again, and I request you to kindly address the gathering.
A very good morning to you all. ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಈ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯೋತ್ಸವದ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ವೇದಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಉಪಸ್ಥಿತರಿರುವಂತಹ ನನ್ನ ಆತ್ಮೀಯರಾದ ಈ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರು, ನನ್ನ ಆತ್ಮೀಯರು ಆದಂತಹ ರಜಾಕ್ರವರೇ, ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಹಿರಿಯರು, ಈ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಉಪಾಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರು ಆದಂತಹ ಭಾಷಾರವರೇ, ಶಾಲೆಯ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಾಲ್ರವರೇ, ವೇದಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿರುವಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೆಡ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟ್ರೆಸ್ಗಳೇ, ಟೀಚರ್ಗಳೇ ಮತ್ತು ಮುದ್ದು ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ ಮತ್ತು ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗಳೇ, ಎ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಇಂಡಿಪೆಂಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಡೇ ಫಾರ್ ಆಲ್ ಮೈ ಬಿಲವ್ಡ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ಸ್. ಟುಡೇ we are celebrating 80th Independence Day celebration. It is a proud moment for us because before 80 years before, we were all slaves of the Britishers. Our forefathers have sacrificed their wealth, their life, just because that our children should not suffer from this British as a slavery. We know that when Britishers went, this India was totally, they have looted all the wealth from this India. It was left over by only plain lands. But our leaders, for the many years, they have struggled for this the improvement and for the success for this India. We didn't had any education institutions. We didn't had any hospitals. We didn't had any ports, not railways or any connectivity from place to place. But over the years, they have sacrificed their everything, and today we have one of the biggest country in this world, and we are competing with the other countries who are like America and China. That is, we are very proud of that. This is all because of our leaders' sacrifices. If they have not done this, we don't have get these educations today. The schools are here because of the sacrifice of the leaders. Our great leader Mahatma Gandhi and other leaders who have fought for this just because for our children. Many years they have fought. They have lost their lands. They have lost their lives. We have to remember them, because many children, you may not know the sacrifice what they have given. But we have to study of many books are there. We have to read that books. Then only we can come to know that what sacrifices they have given for our country. This is a very beautiful country. We have everything in this country. Today, we need not to sacrifice our land. We need not to sacrifice our life. But we have a responsibility to sacrifice ourselves, that we have to improve our country for the next level. Today, scientifically we have improved, economically we have improved, but we have to work more on this scientifically and also for the economically. Economically, we have to be very strong. So, the children, you have the responsibility to do that. Today you are the children, tomorrow you will be the responsibility. You are the one who is running this country. If you do the hard work, definitely we will get the result for that. I will give the example for that. Your MLA, Mr. U.T. Khadar, because of his hard work and dedication, today he is one of the highest ranked minister today in this state. He is the 5th time MLA and 5 times he has served as a minister. That is a good portfolios also. And 1 time speaker. This is all because of the dedication and hard work. So whoever who sincerely do the dedication, hard work, they will have the successful. And education is a key for the success. Education is very important. Because of the education, today we have seen many scientists in this country. One of the example is APJ Abdul Kalam. He was a big scientist, and now after that he has become a president of this country, a topmost level in this country. So you children has to dream big. If you dream big, one day you will be a successful leader of this country, a responsible person of this country. And also it is your responsibility to respect your teachers. Teachers are the second parent of our first parent is our mother and father, and the second parent is the teachers. They are the one who teaches how to live in this country, how to be a human being, good human being. And almost 8 hours in a day we are with the teachers. They will give all their educations what they are having, knowledge what they are having, they are teaching to you, so that tomorrow you will be a responsible national citizen of this country. So it is very important to respect the teachers, respect the elders. Today in India, we are having different languages, different religion, different cultures. But still we are all, we are all together. This is the beauty of this country. This is the unity of this country. So, you should not bring any religion in between of you. We are all together. We are all one. Maybe we believe that different name in the gods, but our aim, our goal is one. So whatever the religion is there, that is different. But as a human being, we are all one. We should work for this country. We should work for this country's upliftment. And we are the responsible children and we are the responsible nation. It is our duty and it is our respect. It is our duty to do all these things. Keep it in mind. Whatever goal you achieve, but you keep it in mind that this is our country. We have to do something for this country. And also, the main thing what I am going to tell these children is, this is a school where you are studied. In future, you may be a big doctors or any district collectors or any IPS or any big good businessman. But never forget these children, the school and these teachers. You should always respect them. Keep coming here. Whatever you can help the school, you have to help it. Because, see, today, more than 1,000 children are studying in the school. It is a big achievement. It has started in just 20 children before 35 years ago. But today, the numbers are more than 1,000. It is not a small thing. It is a very big achievement. That's why I really appreciate the president of this school and all the management team for this achievement and their dedication for this school. Anyway, I thank all this management to giving me a chance to come here and participate in this occasion. I once again wish you all happy Independence Day and thank you one and all. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. As a token of our love and gratitude, I request our President, J. Abdul Razak sir, to present a memento to our chief guest. Thank you, sir. Now it's time to hear from one of our talented students about Independence Day. I warmly invite our student Bilal to come forward and deliver an English speech.
Good morning, everyone, respected dignitaries and dear friends. Warm greetings to everyone. It is my great honor and privilege to welcome you all to our 80th Independence Day celebration. Today, we gather with pride and gratitude to celebrate the freedom that our great nation achieved on 15th August 1947. On this memorable day, we remember the great sacrifices of our brave freedom fighters such as Mahatma Gandhi ji, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, Maulana Abul Kalam Azad and many others who dedicated their lives for the freedom of our country. Freedom is not only our right but also our responsibility. As students, we can show our love for our country by being honest, disciplined, respecting others and working hard to achieve our goals. Together, we can build a brighter future for India. Happy Independence Day. Thank you.
Thank you, dear. Well done. You spoke with confidence and clarity. I just want to mention a special thank you to Kantraj sir and the trustees of our institution who every year contribute wholeheartedly for the growth of our students. Thank you for being a pillar of encouragement and for investing in the dreams and growth of our students. Thank you, sir. Thank you for your support and generosity. Now comes a moment of pride and celebration as we recognize the academic achievers of our institution. We are delighted to honor the top scorers of each class whose hard work and commitment have brought them this well-deserved achievement. I request Vijayalakshmi ma'am to call the names from nursery to 5th standard. Over to you, ma'am.
We are celebrating not just our freedom, but also the hard work and achievements of our young stars. Everyone is a star and they deserve the right to twinkle. The prize distribution is a memorable, proud, special and most awaited event for every institution and for every student. It brings a sense of happiness and a sense of responsibility to fulfill new commitments with dedications. These awards recognize a student's ability and efforts and they boost their self-confidence. Now, we are delighted to announce the academic toppers for the academic year 2025-26 of the pre-primary and primary sections. I request to everyone to please give them a big round of applause to encourage and our young achievers. Now I kindly request our Vice President, Mr. Abdul Rahman Abasha sir, distribute the prize to our toppers. Now we will start from pre-primary sections. Class nursery topper, Jamila Tasfiya. Please come on stage. LKG, Jahan Abdul Qadir. LKG, Zahan Abdul Qadir, come on stage. UKGA, Mariam Alina. Please come on stage. UKGB, Wafir Abdul. First standard A, Shanaz Zamila. Class first standard B, toppers Hamza Afnan. Second standard A, Mufti Abdul Qadir. Second standard B, Nafisha Shiza. Second standard C, Aisha Ru. Second standard C, Aisha Rua. Now I kindly request our Kantara sir to distribute the prize to our toppers. Third B, Alam Fatima KP. Third C, Ayan Ibrahim. Fourth A, Aliza Alima. Fourth B, Fatima Riza. Fifth B, Sadia Sadaf Rafiq. Fifth C, Muhammad Jishan Nuruddin. Fifth standard C, Muhammad Jishan Nuruddin. Thank you sir, Kantara sir and Basha sir for distributing the prizes. Hard work always pays off. Congratulations to all our achievers. You have made your teachers, parents and school very proud. Keep working hard and keep shining. Thank you all.
Congratulations to you all. I now call Rifa Sara Kadir of 10th standard to deliver a Kannada speech.
ಗೌರವಾನ್ವಿತ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಅತಿಥಿಗಳೇ ಹಾಗೂ ನನ್ನ ನೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಗುರುಗಳೇ, ನನ್ನ ಸಹಪಾಠಿಗಳೇ ಮತ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇರಿರುವ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನನ್ನ ಬೆಳಗಿನ ವಂದನೆಗಳು. ಇಂದು ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಭಾರತದ 80ನೇ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆಯನ್ನು ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಯಿಂದ ಆಚರಿಸಲು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇರಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಪ್ರತಿ ವರ್ಷ ಆಗಸ್ಟ್ 15ರಂದು ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶದ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ತನ್ನ ಜೀವನವನ್ನೇ ಮುಡಿಪಾಗಿಟ್ಟ ಮಹಾನೀಯರನ್ನು ಕೃತಜ್ಞತೆಯಿಂದ ಸ್ಮರಿಸುತ್ತೇವೆ. 1947ರ ಆಗಸ್ಟ್ 15ರ ಅನೇಕ ವರ್ಷಗಳ ಬ್ರಿಟಿಷರ ಆಳ್ವಿಕೆಯಿಂದ ನಮ್ಮ ಭಾರತ ಸ್ವತಂತ್ರವಾಯಿತು. ಈ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯವು ನಮಗೆ ಸುಲಭವಾಗಿ ದೊರೆತದಲ್ಲ. ಲಕ್ಷಾಂತರ ದೇಶಭಕ್ತರ ತ್ಯಾಗ, ಹೋರಾಟ ಹಾಗೂ ಬಲಿದಾನದ ಫಲವಾಗಿ ಇಂದು ನಾವು ಸ್ವತಂತ್ರ ಭಾರತದಲ್ಲಿ ಬದುಕಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಮಹಾತ್ಮ ಗಾಂಧೀಜಿ, ಸುಭಾಷ್ ಚಂದ್ರ ಬೋಸ್, ಮೌಲಾನಾ ಅಬುಲ್ ಕಲಾಂ ಆಜಾದ್ ಹಾಗೂ ಝಾನ್ಸಿ ರಾಣಿ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀಬಾಯಿ ಮುಂತಾದ ಹಲವಾರು ಮಹನೀಯರ ಸೇವೆಯನ್ನು ನಾವು ಯಾವತ್ತಿಗೂ ಮರೆಯಬಾರದು. ಅವರ ಕನಸಿನ ಭಾರತವನ್ನು ನಿರ್ಮಿಸುವ ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿ ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಮೇಲಿದೆ. Arise, awake and stop not not till the goal is reached ಎಂಬ ವಿವೇಕಾನಂದರ ವಾಣಿಯಂತೆ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಾದ ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಉತ್ತಮ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣೆಯನ್ನು ಪಡೆದು ಶಿಸ್ತು, ಪ್ರಾಮಾಣಿಕತೆ ಹಾಗೂ ದೇಶ ಪ್ರೇಮೆಯನ್ನು ಬೆಳೆಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳಬೇಕು. ಇಂದಿನ ಯುವ ಜನತೆ ನಾಳಿನ ಭಾರತದ ಶಕ್ತಿ. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರತಿಭೆಯನ್ನು ದೇಶದ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿಗೆ ಬಳಸೋಣ. ದೇಶ ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ನೀಡಿದೆ ಎಂದು ಕೇಳುವ ಬದಲು ನಾವು ದೇಶಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಏನು ನೀಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ ಎಂದು ಆಲೋಚಿಸೋಣ. ಇಷ್ಟು ಹೇಳಿ ನಾನು ನನ್ನ ಪುಟ್ಟ ಭಾಷಣೆಯನ್ನು ಮುಗಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಅವಕಾಶಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.